This will be the easiest and most reliable way to backup and restore files on your Windows 10 computer or Windows 11. So whether you have a desktop or a laptop, if you have important files to back up and you want it to schedule as well, you can do it in a very easy manner. Alright. So within 5 minutes, you can set up your backup and restore. The only thing is you need the external backup or network drive, or even you can save it to your same drive as well. Like if you have D drive or something, you can do that. And if you have any device connected to your computer. So here, you just need to click on the search icon and type control. The best match will be control panel, and we will click on that. So the all control panel items will look like this. And if you do not see like this, what you can do is at the top right corner where you have this view by, click on this down arrow key and click on the large icons. The moment you select that, you will see the window like this. And we will go with the second one, which says backup and restore. It says Windows 7, but it will work on Windows 11 and Windows 10 as well. You can see I'm using the Windows 11 computer. So I will click on backup and restore. And here we can see create a system image, create a system repair disk, which is completely a different thing. We are here to backup and restore files. We are going to learn that. So it says Windows backup has not been set up. Set up backup. So I will click on setup backup, and here it will show you the external drive connected. If you do not have any flash drive or pen drive or external drive connected, you will not see anything. Your built-in drive won't show here. So I have plugged in my backup drive and it is showing right here. If you have the drives on the network, you can click on save on a network and it will look for the location. You can browse it and select the computer and select the location of the network. You can do that. So I have selected this backup drive, and here I will click on next. It also says a system image cannot be saved. So it will not save the system image, as the system image can only be saved in the same computer itself. Alright. So I'll click on next, and it says, what do you want to back up? Let Windows choose recommended. So what this will do, it will back up your desktop files, library like pictures, music, photos, videos like that, and the downloads folder, the default Windows folders. These items will be backed up on a regular schedule. And if you want to back up a specific thing, what you can do is you can select let me choose and click on next, and this will show you what exactly you want to back up. So I'll just uncheck this and I'll click on this, and from here you can go with the users. So let's say I'm using this user, then I can select the desktop, documents, downloads, favorites like that. And if you have any other drive, if you want to back up, if you have created few folders, you can select according to your convenience. Alright. So please make sure you spend a good amount of time to select the right folders, and once you're satisfied, you can simply click on next, and here you can change the schedule, how often you want to back up the files. So run the backup on a schedule. You can do that. You can also manually do it. So to do the manual, you just have to uncheck it, and you need to come here and always click on backup files. If you do not want to do that, you can run on weekly basis, daily basis, on monthly basis. I do it on weekly basis, and on what day you want to, you can select that. At what time you want, you can also select that. And once you're done, you just need to click on OK and save settings and run backup. Alright. So this is how to back up the files on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Now how you can restore it? So you need to come back here. So the very first time we clicked on setup backup, And now if you want to restore those, you need to click select another backup to restore files from. Now let's say if you have any external drive which has the backup, it will show right here. Since I do not have any restore, I haven't backed up, so it will not show here. You can also select the location if you have this on network by clicking on browse. Alright, so this is how you just have to select that backup, and you just need to click on next, and your files will be recovered in a new computer as well. Alright, so this is how you can back up and restore on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, and if you have any queries, any concern, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to resolve your issue. Okay, and please hit the like and subscribe, and do leave a comment if you have successfully set up the backup. Alright, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.